Okay, now I've got about 4 or 5, maybe 6 runs on this engine, most with this exhaust. Now I'm going to just do a look inside. Ooh, I got fuel pouring out of here. I ran this thing completely dry of fuel, so why I still have fuel coming out of that port, I don't know. Now, during the course of those runs, I started seeing a bunch of old fuel residue coming out from here, so I think it was really doing a good cleansing of this engine. And to be completely honest with you, I have no idea how to remove this carb, so I'm not going to. I guess all I'm going to do is take the back plate and the head off for now. That's got a Woodruff key, so theoretically I should be able to just pull this off. Not too bad in there. I don't think this head's ever been off before, the way these feel originally torqued. At least that feels like the factory torque to me. Okay, look at that. Look how recessed that sleeve is. Where are the carbon on the top of that? It makes me think maybe this isn't completely broken in. Of course, it is a AB in engine. It should get broken in fairly quickly, but maybe it's just a very low runtime engine. Okay, so I looked at the exploded parts breakdown, and it looks like these 2 screws that hold this regulator on are long enough that they actually secure the carb. Now, I'm definitely not going to be removing that now because there's a gasket here, there's a gasket here. I don't have either of those gaskets as replacement parts, so for now this is just going to stay as it is until I can find a place to get these parts, because these engines are not made anymore, so it's going to be extremely difficult for me to find a place for parts. So luckily it seems like this fuel regulator is working properly, and this is as far down as I'm taking this engine at this time.